guys, welcome back to Opt for Organic. Today we are going to talk about a natural way to thoroughly clean and detox our mouth as well as lymph nodes and glands. If you are suffering from bad breath or problems related to teeth, then do keep watching. I'll be talking about a method called oil pulling, which is also known as Gandusha in Ayurveda. It is an Ayurvedic method which is almost 5000 years old. Many of those who are following a yogic or organic lifestyle have been using this technique for several generations. So let me show you how to do it and what all you require for it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Oil pulling is a technique which involves filling our mouth with any vegetable-based oil such as sesame oil, coconut oil, mustard oil or sunflower oil and swishing it back and forth and through our teeth for almost 3 to 20 minutes. The more time you can continue it, the more deep cleansing you get. So let me show you how to do it. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred oil. Put it in your mouth and keep swishing it like this back and forth. First back and forth, then try to pull through the roof of the mouth and then try to swish through the teeth on either sides. After almost 1 minute, you might feel a little pain in your jawline or cheeks and you may feel an instant urge of spitting out too, but keep holding and swishing it. Try to continue this for a minimum 3 minutes at the start and then gradually increase the time. Make sure you don't gulp it or it doesn't go down your throat as the oil is pulling all the harmful bacteria from our mouth. An important point to note is that if possible, spit the whitish liquid in a disposable bag. Don't spit it in your sink, otherwise it will clog it. Now rinse your mouth with salty warm water. Swish it also back and forth in order to clean the residue of oil as well as gargle with it. Now you can follow it by brushing your teeth the usual way and it's done. It is that simple. During this process, you may feel sweaty or there might be some nasal discharge or watery eyes. But don't worry, this means the method is working and detoxifying your body. In some people, it occurs sooner and in some, it may take a little longer time. If you feel a temporary flu-like symptoms such as cold or cough with mucus or you develop a temporary toothache, then don't worry, it is the way of naturally cleansing our body and nothing to worry about. The best time to do this technique is on empty stomach when you wake up. You can also continue it 3 times a day, half an hour or an hour before every meal on an empty stomach. By continuously swishing the oil in our mouth, the oil pulls away all the harmful bacteria and germs from each and every corner of our mouth where our brush cannot reach. These bacteria then get dissolved in the oil and get discarded when we spit. Oil pulling also cleanses our lymph nodes and glands thoroughly and removes the toxins, leaving our breath fresh and clean. Consider oil pulling as a vacuum cleaner which sucks away all the harmful bacteria and viruses and germs from our body. If you are suffering from bad breath or problems related to teeth, then you should try this method at least for a month. Trust me, you will see a visible difference. It also helps to whiten our teeth gradually. Oil pulling dramatically relieves all our skin related issues. Oil pulling is a powerful therapy which also helps to cure depression and anxiety issues. You can have a sound sleep if you are suffering from sleep issues. It removes plaque and relieves inflammation and infections of gums. Maintains a good health of our mouth and prevents cavities. Oil pulling helps to cure chronic fatigue and you feel more energized. It also improves our digestive system. Our digestion starts when we chew our food and this leaves its residue in our mouth and throat, which causes bacteria and thus all the diseases. Try this technique for at least a month for positive results. I would personally recommend you to get habituated to this and make it a part of your daily routine. I'm sure after seeing the results, you would thank me later. If you have any questions related to this, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you find this video informative and helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.